Hey guys, I'm John from Legacy Woodworking Machinery. I have a phenomenal sister-in-law who loves to bake and loves making cakes. So we thought we'd buy her one of those cake decorating wheels off of Amazon. The best one there looked like this. Cheap, plastic, got a good bearing in there, but other than that, pretty iffy. So we thought we'd give it a quick upgrade with the Maverick CNC. Follow along, I'll show you how we take this cheap plastic guy and turn him into something that she'll be able to use throughout the rest of her life. Let's get to work. All right, with our cheap to cherished project done, all we need to do now is get a little bit of oil on it and give it to my sister-in-law. If you have any questions about our content or our machinery, give us a quick phone call. It's 800-279-4570. Thank you guys. We'll see you guys in the next one.